Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious chicken Bhuna Masala. This is an easy and quick chicken curry recipe which is just so amazing. The gravy tastes amazing with the aromatic spices and the chicken pieces are so tender. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. First, to make the bhuna masala, in a kadai take 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 3 dried red chillies and 4 green cardamoms. Dry roast for 2 to 3 minutes till they are aromatic. Take out and keep aside. Now in the same kadai, heat 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. To that add 4 finely chopped onions. I have chopped the onions using a chopper. Saute till the onion turns brown. Then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute till everything turns golden. Now add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. These also I have chopped using a chopper. You can just normally chop the tomatoes. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add salt as per taste. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix everything well and roast the spices for 5 to 7 minutes. The spices should be well roasted in this recipe. I had pre-marinated 1 kg of chicken with 1/4 cup of curd, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the chicken and mix well with the spices. Cook on high flame first. Now turn the flame to medium and roast the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee and the bhuna spices. Mix well and cook the chicken without covering for 4 to 5 minutes more. After that, add 1 thin sliced onion and 4 slit green chilies. Give it a mix. Finally, add 2 cups of hot water and mix well. Now cover and cook on medium flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes our chicken is perfectly cooked now and the gravy is also perfectly reduced and the flavors are there. So finally add 1 teaspoon garam masala and few chopped coriander leaves. Give it a final mix. And our delicious chicken bhuna masala is ready. Serve it hot or with paratha or chapati. You can also have it with rice but it goes perfectly well with naan, paratha or chapati. Finally, I have garnished it with few chopped coriander leaves. And our delicious and perfectly cooked chicken bhuna masala is ready. This recipe is an amazing chicken curry recipe. The taste is totally different and unique. Our chicken is perfectly tender and our gravy is creamy and delicious. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.